Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on Dealroom Virtual Data Room reviews. Dealroom Virtual Data Rooms is a popular video provider that offer a variety of features and benefits for businesses of all sizes. In introduction, I will say in this video I will discuss some of the key features and benefits of Dealroom VDR as well as some of the pros and cons using this platform. I will also share some of the reviews that I have found from Dealroom customers. Here are the key features and benefits of Dealroom VDR. Dealroom VDR offers a variety of features including security. Dealroom VDR offers a variety of security features to protect confidential data such as encryptions, access control, granular access control, audit trails, and watermarking. Then compliance. Dealroom VDR is compliant with a variety of industry regulations such as HIPAA and GDPR and CCPA. Usability. Dealroom VDR is easy to use for both businesses and authorized users. And scalability. Dealroom VDR can be scaled up or down to meet the needs of any businesses regardless of their size. Then cost effectiveness. Dealroom VDR is a cost effective solution for businesses that need to share confidential documents securely. In addition to those core features and benefits, Dealroom VDR also offer a number of other features such as document management. Dealroom VDR offer a variety of document management features such as bulk upload, folder organization, and document versioning. Then collaboration tool. Dealroom VDR offer a variety of collaboration tools such as a secure messaging, file annotations, and task management. Analytics. Dealroom VDR offer an analytics tool that can help businesses to track user activity and identify trends. Then customer support. Dealroom VDR offer 24/7 customer support to help businesses with any problem they may encounter. Pros and cons of using Dealroom VDR. Here are some pros and cons using Dealroom VDR. Comprehensive range of security features, compliance with industry regulation, user-friendly interface, scalable to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes, and cost-effective. Cons: some users have reported that the platform can be slow at times, and there is no free trial available. Dealroom VDR customer reviews. Here are some reviews. Dealroom VDR is a great platform for securely sharing confidential documents. It is easy to use, offer a variety of security features, and make a deal for the business of all sizes. John Smith, CEO of Acme Corporations, and I was impressed with the Dealroom VDR. It is a very secure and user-friendly platform. I would definitely recommend to other business. And Janido, CFO from XYZ company. Dealroom VDR is a great platform. It offers a variety of features and benefits and reasonable price. I would definitely recommend it to other business. And Susan Jones, HR manager of ABC company. So in last conclusions, Dealroom VDR is a popular video provider that offers a variety of features and benefits of business of all sizes. It is a secure, user-friendly, and scalable platform that is compliant with a variety of industry regulation. If you are looking for a VDR solution, I recommend that consider Dealroom VDR. It is a great option for businesses of all sizes that you need to share confidential documents securely. So that's all I have. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand anything, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.